Welcome to the Hybrid Teaching Tutorial. In this video, we will go through the steps of delivering the course using either the university computers or your personal laptop. In case you're using the university computers, you are advised to follow the following steps. First, switch on the PC and log in with the English user. Next, you need to log in to Microsoft Teams. You can then switch on the projector. This can be done either from the browser or using the remote control. Then you can successfully deliver your course. If you're using your laptop, the process is as follows. Open your laptop and connect the HDMI cable. From the HDMI switcher, change the input from desktop to laptop. You can now log in to Microsoft Teams and deliver your course. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a successful teaching experience.